Dear folks, some people say that I am not successful because I do not have money, I do not have the authority, I don't have the power, I am not famous, so I am not successful. You think that when will I get all these things, people will accept me and I will be approved by the society, then I will be happy. Here I am asking you, where is your self-value? Where is your self-worth? Your self-value, self-worth is not according to you. It's according to the society. According to the society, your self-worth based on money. How much money you have, then you are valuable, then you are worthy. Here, society is deciding your self-value. You are not determining your self-value. Guys, we are living to please the society. We are living to prove the society. We are living to be accepted by the society. If this doesn't happen, you think that I'm a failure, I'm an unsuccessful person, and you want more acceptance from others. You want more acceptance from people around you. First of all, accept yourself as you are. Accept yourself with whatever you are. Tall, thin, fat, your successes, your failures. Accept yourself and try to work on yourself in a better way. When you accept yourself as you are, you will get freedom. You feel peaceful, blissful, calm and quiet. When you accept yourself, you will love yourself. When you love yourself, you will feel good about yourself. When you feel good about yourself, you will try to do more and you will try to do better and you will become more successful. Guys, achievements should be for yourself, not to show to the world. Dear friends, when you accept yourself as you are, the world will accept you, because acceptance is the key to happiness. Acceptance is the way to happiness. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And one more thing I want to tell you. This video is not a hogwash and it's not a mumbo jumbo talk. Right? And I accept myself unconditionally. And do you accept yourself unconditionally? If you accept yourself unconditionally, just comment in the comment section in the below. And see you on next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.